Learnlife is exceptionally proud of receiving this nomination of being in the top 10 most innovative schools in the world for the year 2026. At Learnlife, we are a school that grounds itself in relationships. The words family and love are part of the ethos. I have had the honor of serving at some incredibly progressive and innovative schools, and Learnlife truly is the only space I have ever worked in that lives every aspect of its mission and its vision to equip learners with the autonomy, the self-resilience, the flexibility, the critical thinking skills, the innovator's mindset to truly embody our lifelong learning mission. Thank you so much for this great honor.
It's very beautiful that after 8 years of hard work and all the team coming together, we're being recognized for all the efforts that have been done. I'm proud that the learners have had a choice, that had a voice, and because of that, it's an environment where they feel safe and an environment where they can really trust that everyone who's part of it is here to support them and to help them grow.
Learnlife is the best school for me because I'm able to create my own structure. I'm able to do the projects I want to do and still have the motivation for learning.
I feel it gives me the space to grow, to be able to make mistakes and learn from them.
And Learnlife has really helped me to have the confidence in myself and to give me that independence.
I get to be who I want to be every day and around people I love and care about.